little bit, add some sound effects to it, help the shit out. You can paint a better picture. It paints a picture already, but nigga, we'll see. Got something for the photos and shit, put a collage together. Thinking about some paybacks, I may snap on you for the simple reason.
I scheme up a plan with a random no metal and like bomb. I'll be gone when the smoke settles and hell is where I'm headed. Gonna leave a problem invaded with lead. Voices in my head telling me I'd rather be dead instead of going out. No doubt that's what this life's about. I'm kinda deep, so I can't get the fuck out. I'm lost in something complicated, something that keeps hoes straight. Constantly hated, but I'm just
glad that I made it.
Suckers talking a lot of shit, but they working it right. They kinda
vibe with the Nina, live with the Nina.
I think I need a breather, cause this game got me drained. Low's got enough reasons. Let the tail feel my pain. Chronic clouds in my brain. Help my city get
Dog.
changes, some who remain nameless. Will the cranium brain. Usual, but that's business as usual. Acting as if you know and all the chances that I'll take. That'll raise in the deep east side of the bay. Times are crucial, but that's business as usual. Acting as if you know and all the chances that I'll take. That'll raise in the deep east side of the bay. 4 years old, I wouldn't say that I'm an OG, but I swear to God, everyone in the Yaku knows me. Those who work, I put in no respect, it's what I mean. When it's talking over the numbers, when it comes to those who hate me, whether it's because I'm doing things or they just don't know who to blame. Or maybe there's a time I use the blind as a shooting range. I don't know and I don't care as long as you ain't in my way. Cause all they taught me how my back to try to get me sidetracked. Fuck that, my homies took these up like make enough money to hire Johnny Cochran in case we get a shot to reverse what the cops done. Removing innocent prisoner. And find you, I'm a Scorpio. I hold a grudge. All it takes is a nudge to do to something you did years ago. You spoke of as it was. He was this, he was that. Shit, that's besides the fact. Now he's dead. Cause shit he said stuck in my head made me react. Just be myself and kill a pen and jump around. Keep on talking shit. Business as usual. Acting as if you know. And all the chances that I'll take.
Fun project,
in the deep east side of the bay. Times are crucial, but that's
money time, man.
I'll take in a deep east side of the bay.
Since the sail on my mission through hell, I ended up in jail and I ain't going back. I spent a few days in that bitch and then I closed the bill. I called my closest door, like I'll be back on my feet. Now see I left the streets incomplete. Dressed to impress, some niggas knocking on my door, looking for a talk, hustling and cup. They want me to talk to the judge, but yo no, I got a grudge, I don't wanna see him no more. Plus in my room, I got a loaded bobo. If no one sees it, I wish it didn't come to this. Next time I slip, I'ma grip it now. Yes, I know the whole clip. I got one night to live. Folks just sit in my crib. Next time they knock on my door, I'm knocking through the door, splitting their wigs. I'm a bluster from the beginning to end. Yes, me to the act with a strap, with a snap, with a track. The two we got can run the motherfucking back out like boys in the hood. I'm making noise with wood for the back. So one thing, I wish a motherfucker would try to get in my way when I'm sitting next to Jack. You know we keep a cadence that compared to day. Like a brown with a deal, make a motherfucker cry. Little know the next song, put me down for the welcome. He's no going to show, and the motherfuckers know. You know, and all the chances